Hello and welcome to Elspec's Quick Tip video series. This tip shows how to install an add-on in Sapphire. From time to time we'll have a customer request for a new type of file processing that we may not at that time support. To support this type of file, we will sometimes release an add-on. To install these add-ons, you migrate to the System tab, you click on your server, click Add-ons, and then over here in the corner, Install Add-on. Now here it says Upload Setup File. This is your Browse button. And from here you would need to find your add-on file. Once you've located it, install add-on. And in just a few quick seconds, the add-on will be successfully installed. Close. And now you are ready to begin using your new type of file that we issued the add-on for. This is another example of how quick and easy Sapphire is to fit all of your needs. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like us on Facebook, connect with us on LinkedIn, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Have a great day.